Hello guys, welcome to Excel Mania. Today I'm going to show you very powerful and short tutorial in Excel. Before that, do not forget to subscribe our channel so you guys can get more tutorial on it. It's a very helpful for you guys too. And okay, let's get back to this tutorial. Let's suppose we have thousands of entries, so we cannot do proper spacing in it one by one because it will take huge amount of time. So for that, Excel made our life easy. We will use the trim formula. I will show you how to do the trim formula. Put the equal sign in it, write down trim, right? And you open up the bracket and select this one, close it, press enter. You will see the result is coming, very proper spacing and everything. And for that one, we have to change all these things too. You go here, you will see the plus sign is in the black. Double click over here, and everything is in proper manner of proper writing, proper spacing. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Keep practicing Excel. We will come back with more tutorial. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video. Have a good day.